Shoda le mithi kushoda into ekusebenta kushoda nalabantu. Bantu bahambile, abantu bathole emadlelo lahlata, abantu bapentshelwe, abantu bashonile. But tikhala solo tikhona, atika replacewa. Njengoba bengibekisile ekuqaleni kokuthi bantu sebayafa. Ibe besingakhona kubasida. Mhlawumbe ibe bekunayo idrazapam noma bekunayo ifenitol. Lolo sijarisha phambi kwami ngabe ngimsidile wangafi. So sekune kufa lokukhanza kokuthi besingakugwema, but because sitele tindvasi sakhona ukugwema. So siyalila netihlobo umuntu ashone phambi kwethu sisibhedlela. We have the lack of sufficient laboratory and radiology consumables has resulted in delay in timely diagnosis of patients. Patients are compelled to outsource some of these investigations at their cost. Ngicabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu uyathi ukuthi kuya esibhedlela sahulumende eMbabane ufika ubhadale 10 emalangeni uthole tinsita tonke uma ngabe kukhona lenye expense letaba khona itaba maybe ngilomunye 10 emalangeni noma ngi5 emalangeni lo muntu usitakele within 30 emalangeni uyajika uyekhaya. But lesimo lesesikhona sishoko ukuthi lo muntu akafike amspende 10 emalangeni agcine angakasitakali mhlawumbe or else amspende 10 emalangeni athi dokotela no ngicela umane uyongendela itest thiste eMbabane clinic mhlawumbe le 180 so sekuyamdulela lo muntu losigulane kanzi mhlawumbe ude kahle le mali ngetulu kwaloko kunalabanye bantu labalethwa abantu bemthetho emaphoyisa lokhanza ngokuthi babaletha ebusuku balimele bagwaziwe noma kwendekele bona nabafika bafike bashiyele bona noma ngabe kukhona lesifisa ukuthi simside ngako lokutawubita ukuthi hamba yothenga somewhere akakhoni ukuthenga ngoba uyedwana uphelele noma ngabe le mali unayo noma ngabe ude so lo sito lakhe livele libe limited ngaleyo ndlela. There is also a lack of adequate transport, consistent fuel supply, resulting in inability to collect consumables from CMS and other facilities, as well as inability to conduct outreach, safer transport of patients and staff. Ibhlungu kakhulu lena ngoba kula kuba bede kwethu nje sithi sicela ke kulamanye ama facilities sicele mangayane sicele inhlangano sicele kaHlatsi but ke ukhanza ukuthi bayasipha but kude lokho kukulanza letini kude transport mayikhona transport ide fuel nayikhona transport inayo fuel ide mabhiliki solo siyacela lokho ukuthi ayibe khona le transport ayibe khona le consistent fuel supply ayiphile le transport itokhona kusi service la kahle letindvo lesicelayo. There has been an increase in the number of patients attending to Mbabane Government Hospital, and the current human resource capacity is not coping with the raising of patient load. Lokhu besikishito lokho ukuthi due to the shortage of staff, bantu bayahamba, bantu bathole emadlelo lahlata, bantu bayashona, bantu bayaresign, but abareplaceki. Lokwendekako litiko mhlawumbe nahulumende wakhena lichart lelihle lelihloniphekile lelithi patient chart right leli